Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and you've been dreaming about making stunning, professional quality videos without spending hours editing or needing a full production team, then you are absolutely going to love what I'm about to show you. I just got my hands on the new VideoExpress version 2.0, and let me tell you, this update is a game changer. Whether you're into animation, content creation, storytelling, or just looking for smarter ways to bring your ideas to life, this tool is seriously next level. So here's the deal. VideoExpress version 2 now lets you create almost any style of video from a single text prompt. That means you just type what you want and the AI brings it to life. Visuals, voiceovers, transitions, effects, the whole thing done in just a few clicks. I tested it out and the results honestly blew me away. I started by trying out one of their most impressive new features, 3D cartoon videos. Kind of like Pixar or Disney style. All I had to do was generate the first frame using a prompt. I typed in something like a curious young boy standing in a magical forest, clicked a button, and boom. The image it gave me looked like something straight out of an animated film. Then I clicked Create Video, and just like that, it started animating the scene without me needing to write another word. The animation was smooth, cinematic, and the style was incredibly polished. But it gets better. You can actually extend these clips using something called the length booster. It adds new frames and stretches out the video in a very natural way. It's perfect for when you need a longer scene without having to break your creative flow. Now, if you prefer a more realistic style, VideoExpress can do that too. It has a consistent character mode where you upload a reference photo and the AI keeps that character looking the same across different scenes. I tried this with a photo of a girl in a field, added a prompt saying she was running through the flowers, and it created a beautiful cinematic shot with her actually in motion. It was fast, it was consistent, and honestly, kind of magical. There's also an image-to-video feature that lets you animate anything. You upload a picture, give it a prompt like the boy is riding his dog like a horse, set the motion speed, and it literally turns your still image into a lively animated video. You can add music, effects, and combine different clips into a longer story. I tried mixing both 2D and 3D elements in one timeline, and it looked seamless. The built-in multi-layer editing system lets you stack audio, backgrounds, voiceovers, and animations all in one place. It feels a lot like working in a professional editor, but powered by AI. And let's talk about the stylized characters. You can take any photo and turn it into a 2D or 3D cartoon version. I uploaded a photo, added a prompt like a 3D princess in front of her castle, and it recreated that exact person in a fantasy-style animated world. You can then animate them to walk, talk, and interact with their environment. And speaking of talking, this version now includes a talking photo feature with lip sync. You just add your text or upload audio, and it syncs perfectly with the character's mouth movement. It looks incredibly natural and adds a whole new level of realism to your storytelling. But what really sets this apart is how much control you still have. You can add background music, stylized text, crop, resize, even change your video into a portrait format for social media. There's also in painting, so if you want to remove or add objects to your video scenes, the AI handles it with ease. It's almost like Photoshop for video, but fully automated and intelligent. Another cool part is the public gallery. You can see videos created by other users, reuse them, remix them, or just get inspiration for your own ideas. And the platform itself is super user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or experienced creator, it guides you through every step without feeling overwhelming. I've been using a bunch of AI video tools over the past year, but VideoExpress version 2 is the most complete solution I've come across. It's not just fast, It's creative, flexible, and honestly fun to use. If you're someone who loves telling stories, building content, or just experimenting with new tech, you need to check this out. It's like having a full animation studio in your browser. Thanks for watching. Let me know what kind of video you'd want to make with this in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.